Welcome to Tatshenshini today. So my name is Boris, so I will be with you on a river to be wet, to big splash. So that's the Blanchard River for the morning. We will stop for lunch, and after that we will hit the bigger rapids on the Tatshenshini River. So that will be more spicy, more intense, and I think it will be a great day. So follow me and let's go on a raft. Thank you to join us today on a trip. What an amazing day on the water. We did many splash, we fall down, we swim for a long time sometimes, but we did backflip too. And hope to see you soon in Yukon.